Aloha and welcome to 322 Holoku. Come on in. This property is so stunning when you walk in. So you'll see all of the white with the gold, all brand new Samsung appliances. They're smart. So when we walked in, it tried to connect to our phone. Beautiful. When I look at this kitchen and I see the details like the little pantry to hide your bigger appliances or dishes, that kind of thing, you can tell that they really took their time when they designed all of the upgrades for this property. And you have this really true open concept, right? So you walk in the front door, you've got this large kitchen, an island without a sink ruining the middle of it where you can really put all your food, host here, have a nice plant in the middle, and no wasted space, flowing seamlessly into your living room with this huge area for this big built-in TV. And then you don't have to have all of your stuff being shown, right? You've got all of these wonderful drawers and cabinets to really have that modern, clean aesthetic throughout the house, which is spectacular. So this one is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And if you come this way, for a household, if you have a full household, you are going to love this laundry room. Look at this. If I was to live here, I think I'd have a little desk looking outside in here because this room is so spacious. Bedroom number 1 is a little bit on the bigger side. You do have split ACs and new fans throughout everything, every room in the house. You've got the recessed lighting. You've got all of the clean, white, crisp lines for the baseboards, no popcorn ceilings. And for Wahiawa, that is, this home has just been superbly upgraded with everything in mind to make the home functional and have plenty of storage, which is something that comes at a premium in Hawaii. Check out this shower head. Love it. Nice rain shower head. You can tell that they really took their time picking all of the components for the gold and the colors, having that like natural tone come in. You've got the fancy mirrors. You need to defog it. You've got it going. You've got lovely drawers, which helps with your storage. They have this room staged as an office, but this would be another good sized bedroom for Hawaii. And I love that they did the black doors throughout. This is so popular now, and it really just gives it that more like elegant look to the house. Absolutely stunning. Okay, this one is gonna be closest to the primary bedroom. And then you've had a long day at work, you wanna come to your primary and relax. You've got a nice closet here. You've got this open space here, which I love. You've got the windows to let in the natural light. You could put some more landscaping up, but this bathroom, this is where it's at in here. So you've got the double vanity sinks here that have the higher vestibule sinks, so cute. And then if you want to shower and you don't want to get your tub dirty, you don't have to. Easy peasy. You've got another beautiful rain head as well as another movable faucet. And then if you want to take a tub, there you go. You've got your options. But what makes this home so unique, we've toured the main part of the property now, right? So in Hawaii, oftentimes we live multi-generational. And what that means is you may be living with grandparents, aunties, that kind of thing, or you have the option to rent it out to somebody else. So that's what we're gonna check out next. Come on. So the really great thing about where this is located, especially if it's your parents or immediate family, is you walk out your front door, go around to the side, and you either have a place for family or you have a place to generate income. And I would say under no circumstances would you charge less than $1,000 a month for this. So you've got a full-size oven, microwave, sink. Right behind you is a washer dryer combo. And then this area is super spacious. So while they just have a bed and a chair here, if you did something like a Murphy bed, you could have a dining table in here, you could have a workspace, You could put this wall right here and have TV and console. And now with all of the different configurations they have for space-saving furniture, this room could really be something spectacular if you wanted to make it. And in addition to all the room, check out this beautiful bathroom. So you've got the, you can do the music, you can have a nightlight, you've got really nice fans, a rain shower again, and this giant shower inside of here. Again, with the black doors, and everything just flowed from the primary house into this one, making it feel like, you know, if it's your family living here, they're not living in less than conditions, right? Everything's the same materials, it flows well, and then you get the option of, do you want somebody living with you that's family, or do you want to make some income, making this a great buy.